Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare VSCode versus PHPStorm. Visual Studio Code is a lightweight, open-source code editor, widely used for its flexibility across many languages. PHPStorm, on the other hand, is a powerful, commercial integrated development environment specifically engineered for PHP. While VSCode relies heavily on its extensive extension marketplace for features, PHPStorm delivers a comprehensive suite of tools right out of the box, offering a more specialized experience for PHP developers. When considering performance, Visual Studio Code generally boasts a smaller memory footprint and quicker startup times, making it feel more agile. PHPStorm, being a feature-rich IDE, typically demands more system resources, especially during initial indexing. However, this resource usage fuels its robust code analysis and intelligent features. The actual performance of VSCode can fluctuate significantly based on the number and complexity of installed extensions. PHPStorm truly shines with its advanced built-in features for PHP development, including sophisticated refactoring, powerful debugging, and deep code analysis. It also integrates seamlessly with databases, command line tools, and version control systems. Visual Studio Code, while highly extensible, requires users to find and install specific extensions for similar functionalities. However, its integrated terminal and excellent Git support are standout features, offering a versatile environment for various programming tasks. Regarding cost and support, Visual Studio Code is completely free and open source, benefiting from a massive community and Microsoft's backing. This allows for a vast and diverse extension ecosystem. PHPStorm operates on a subscription model, providing professional support and regular, stable updates from JetBrains. While it comes with a price, many developers find the dedicated features and reliable performance justify the investment, ensuring a premium development experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.